Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find stems in Suno with version 5. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and the first thing we want to do is head over to the create option in the main menu. We could find the same thing in the library as well, but I spend most of my time in the create because you can find your library there. And how do we find stems? So first off, you're going to want to pick a specific song that you want stems from. So in this case, let's go ahead and go with Claws and Chaos. And if you want to listen to this song, you can find it on our Discord. We'd love to have you there. You're going to come here to the right-hand side. You're going to find these three little dots. Next to each song, you'll find those three little dots. Click on that, and then you're going to see this option here that says Get Stems. So if we click on that there, then here we have our option to get the stems, and we have two options to choose from. One is vocals and instrumental, and this is just going to separate the music from the vocals. One thing about this is that if you are looking for the background vocals, let's say you're a singer and you want to be able to sing with the music, but you like the background vocals, then you're probably going to need to go with the all detected stems. And this is going to split up everything into each individual stem. You get up to 12 stems. Now, the credits are more for this. It's 50 credits versus 10 credits. But generally speaking, if you want to export the stems and have full control, then you're going to want to go with the all detected stems. So let's go ahead though, and we're going to do the vocals and instrumental. We're going to hit extract. And it's the same idea if you do all detected stems. In this case, we're only going to get 2 stems, but if we did all detected stems, then we would get all of them listed here. And you'll also notice that we have 2 versions, version 1 and version 2. And this is simply because sometimes the results are less than desirable. And so if you find that that's the case, then you might want to come and try version 2. And you can see here that it's just taking some time to extract the stem. And once it's done, there it goes. You can either download the stem individually, or you can click here where it says download all. And you can also select MP3 or WAV. So lots of really cool functionality there, some really great stuff that they're doing with Suno. Let's go ahead and jump over here to our Discord channel. If you are interested in our Suno mastery training for $200, we do 4 hours of intensive training. I will take you through Suno personally and show you how to get the most out of it. And come and say hi on our Discord channel. We're starting from scratch here. We're working our way up, but we're trying to build a community around AI animation and music generation. We're posting our projects here. We're posting helpful videos all related to AI animation, to video editing, and also any songs that we create on Suno during the show we'll post here as well. We'd love to have you here, and if you are interested in that, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I could personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.